ইংলিশ ভার্সনের ভূগোলের প্রথম যে পেজটা আছে তার অ্যান্সারগুলো দেওয়ার চেষ্টা করছি। গ্রেড ওয়াজ ফার্স্ট ইউজড বাই জি.কে. গিলবার্ট। ডিউরিং দ্য ফর্মেশন অফ সেডিমেন্টারি রক্স sometimes water remains confined into rocks. Such water is known as connate water, সহজাত জল। বাকি প্রশ্নগুলো পড়তে গেলে সময় বেশি লাগবে, তাই এই প্রশ্নগুলোর অ্যান্সার দেওয়ার চেষ্টা করছি, বাংলায় বলে দিচ্ছি, তোমরা শুনে নাও। One characteristic feature of equatorial climatic region is conventional rainfall in afternoon, অর্থাৎ পরিচলন বৃষ্টিপাত, নিরক্ষীয় জলবায়ু অঞ্চলের বৈশিষ্ট্য। A significant karst region of India is, ভারতবর্ষে উল্লেখযোগ্য একটি কাস্ট অঞ্চল পাঁচমারি। হুইচ টাইপ অফ ড্রেনেজ প্যাটার্ন ইজ ফর্মড অন ডোম শেপড হিলস, গম্বুজাকৃতি পাহাড়ে কী ধরনের জলনির্গম প্রণালী গড়ে ওঠে? সেন্ট্রিফিউগাল, কেন্দ্র বিমুখ। দ্য প্রসেস অফ ট্রান্সপোর্টেশন অফ সয়েল পার্টিকেলস ফ্রম এ হরাইজন টু বি হরাইজন অফ সয়েল প্রোফাইল ইজ নোন অ্যাজ এলুভিয়েশন, এ স্তর থেকে বিস্তরে যাওয়াকে বোঝায়। The book which is published the number of plants and animals which are to be conserved is known as Green Data Book. An example of man-made disaster, Bhopal gas disaster. C. An example of major primary nutrient necessary for plants is nitrogen. The tropical cyclone of the Caribbean Sea is known as hurricane. The practice of cultivation of flowers, fruit, vegetables for selling at nearby town is known as market gardening. Tourism is an economic activity under tertiary sector. The first cotton textile industry of India was established at Ghusuri. In India, blue revolution is associated with the production of fish. In India, age-sex ratio is determined by the formula B. Number of total female by number of total male into 1000. Gold collar workers are engaged in consultancy. A town having total population of more than 10 lakh is known as metropolis or metro city. যা পড়বে। The first newsprint mill of India was established at B. Nepanagar. The gas which is mainly responsible for the depletion of ozone layer is chlorofluorocarbon. The major iron ore producing region of Chhattisgarh is Dali Rajhara. যদি বাইলাডিলা থাকে তো বাইলাডিলা অপশন উত্তর হবে, নচেত দালি রাজহারা। দ্য সুয়েজ ক্যানেল হ্যাজ কানেক্টেড দ্য মেডিটেরিয়ান সি অ্যান্ড দ্য রেড সি। তাহলে প্রথম পেজের উত্তরগুলো হলো, এরপরে দ্বিতীয় পেজের উত্তরগুলো দেখা আসি। দ্য কম্বাইন্ড effect of degradation and aggradation is gradation. Landscape is function of structure, process and stage, W.M. Davis বলেছেন। The drainage pattern commonly formed in ছোটনাগপুর plateau region is dendritic, বৃক্ষরূপী জলনির্গম প্রণালী গড়ে উঠেছে ছোটনাগপুর মালভূমি অঞ্চলে। The crop known as living pharmacy in Sri Lanka is green coconut. An example of man-made disaster is Bhopal gas disaster. One of the major indicators of economic development is life expectancy. Shifting cultivation in Brazil is commonly known as roca. An example of spadosol soil is podzol. The word conurbation is firstly used by Patricides. The landform is not created by river rejuvenation, monotonic. Hadley cell is associated with trade wind. Which of the following is established for documenting rare and endangered species of animal and plants? Green Data Book. The base level of arid cycle of erosion, মানে মরু ক্ষয়চক্রের শেষ সীমা, গ্রাউন্ড ওয়াটার লেয়ার, এটা হচ্ছে ভৌম জলস্তর, মরু ক্ষয়চক্রের নিম্নসীমা। আর যদি বলে স্বাভাবিক ক্ষয়চক্রের নিম্নসীমা, সমুদ্র জলতল, mean sea level. The measuring unit of ozone gas concentrated is Dobson. Jet stream is usually found in upper troposphere. The line of equal transport cost in least cost theory is called as isotheme. Niagara of India waterfall is located in Chhattisgarh. The word biodiversity is firstly used by Walter Rosen. The smallest administrative unit is Panchayat. The stage in which India situated in demographic standardization model is third. Primary sector activities related workers is called red collar worker. দ্বিতীয় পেজটাও কমপ্লিট হলো. Now we are in third page. Movement of eroded materials according to slope by gravitational force is called mass wasting. The aquifer from where water is available in all season, permanent saturation zone. Coast of Southwest Ireland is the type of Ria coast. The dome-shaped hill formed at the end of arid cycle of erosion is called Inselberg. When tributaries connect with the main river at acute angles, then forms dendritic. সূক্ষ্মকোণে মিলিত হয়. নদীগুলো সূক্ষ্মকোণে মিলিত হলে বিক্ষোভী জলনির্গম প্রণালী গড়ে ওঠে. Alidisol is the type of laterite. Rate of soil formation in hot and wet climate is rapid. Index cycle is related with jet stream. At present, the highest CO2 producing country is China. The meaning of AM in Köppen climatic classification is rain throughout year. The book contains the names of harmful species is Black Data book. The work have to done at pre-register measurement hazard evaluation. Hazard evaluation. Operation flood is related to excessive milk production. Major crop of intensive cultivation rice. Who is the pathfinder of least cost theory of industrial location? Alfred Weber. The material index of weight loss raw material is greater than 1. (24:7) is related to medical treatment. The persons related with culinary activities are known as golden collar worker. Who use the term conservation first? Patrick Geddes. The conception of optimum population first given canon. The Chitrakoot waterfalls is situated in the state of Chhattisgarh. The third best of holo coming out of volcanoes during the time of volcanicity along with the magma is known as juvenile water. Great Barrier Reef is found off the coast of Australia. The region where inselbergs are found in is Kalahari Desert. The drainage pattern which developed on a dome-shaped hill is radial drainage pattern. One characteristic feature of equatorial climate region is conventional rainfall in afternoon. The soil formed by volcanic material is andesol. The color of humus-rich soil is black. The name of climatic region in which biodiversity is maximum, tropical rainforest climatic region. Monsoon wind is a type of periodical wind. Name of a free-floating hydrophyte, water hyacinth. The hazard associated with the gravitational force is earthquake. The father of white revolution in India is Dr. Varghese Kurian. The agricultural system in which millet is the major crop of dry farming. The first jute mill of India was established at Rista. The least cost theory of industrial location was propounded by Alfred Weber. Professional consultation is an example of culinary economic activities. The type of settlement developed along the coastal dune is linear pattern of settlement. The formula of determining the age-sex ratio in India is the total female population divided by total male population into 1000. isolated and almost disconnected small rural settlement known as hamlet. The major iron ore producing region of Chhattisgarh is Dalirajhara. যদি অপশন থাকে বাইলাডিলা তো বাইলাডিলা হবে, নাহলে দালিরাজহিলা। তো এই ছিল আজকের ইংলিশ ভার্সনের পেজগুলির অ্যান্সার। সঙ্গে থাকো তোমরা, পরবর্তীতে আমরা আসছি এসিকিউর অ্যান্সার নিয়ে। আজকে এ পর্যন্তই, সঙ্গে থাকার জন্য ধন্যবাদ। ভালো থাকবে, সুস্থ থাকবে।